Hey everybody, this is Maslow. I'm here at the Florida Tech Mural in downtown Melbourne, and today we're going to be renewing it and touching it up to bring it back to life after it was created 7 years ago. This piece is titled Ad Astra Per Scientiam. It's very much inspired by Florida Tech's curriculum, and it depicts Florida Tech's mascot, this giant panther here, traveling through land, sea, air, and space. All different aspects of what you learn when you go to Florida Tech. When this panel of the wall was removed, it wasn't necessarily a bad thing because it prompted us to take action and come out here and recognize that this has faded a little bit, some things have worn down. To reconnect with Florida Tech and bring this back to life is just an amazing opportunity, and I'm super grateful for that chance, and it's really a pleasure to be out here today.